Junior ROTC, it really is our bread and butter, is to teach young students leadership, civic duty, and teach them to actually get out and be leaders in their community.
We try to expose young men and women to a variety of activities, and robotics just seemed to be a natural fit. We have a great passion for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, and robotics brings a component of that into the JROTC program. Our singular mission for Junior ROTC is to create better citizens. That includes making better citizens who understand the importance of STEM education and what those things provide.
Our purpose is to ensure that cadets have an involvement in a variety of activities. In the classroom, they get a chance to talk about and discover things about leadership and teamwork that they didn't know about. And then when they come to some of these events, they get a chance to actually practice what they've talked about in the classroom. The robotics competition is another way for them to do that, to demonstrate leadership, to demonstrate teamwork, and that they can achieve things that they set their mind.
I've been involved in VEX for about 1 year. This is my first time at Worlds. I did not know what any of the screws meant, where they went, even the license plates, any of that. My teammates have really helped me with that, just because they have more experience than me. So just picking up things and learning as the day goes on has really helped. But there's been some difficult things happening, but we've just overcome them together.
This competition is one of the premier leading STEM competitions in the United States and in the world. And so this is just new, it's exciting. I love seeing the excitement on the faces of these young adults that are getting out there to do this fun stuff. And every time I've gone down a different path and looked at a different table and a different robot and hear their strategy and the excitement that they talk about, and it's just their creativity blows me away.
You get to talk to these people that have so much experience in this field, and they communicate that experience to you, and that's a great opportunity.
Kids took hold of this thing, and as kids talk to each other from program to program, they talk about technology, they talk about the way forward, they talk about doing things with their hands, putting things together, and so now it has grown exponentially.
I've learned to manage stuff and just put things around. There are parts everywhere, so you need to learn where things are and also how to build one as to make it easier than our previous model. So now we can do it easier with different areas that we've made it a lot simpler.
The complexity of some of these robots, unbelievable. I think that these are teenagers, middle school kids and high school kids who put a lot of energy, a lot of training into this, and this is the culminating event for them this year. It's amazing to see these young men and women prepare and the pride they take in building a robot, just incredible.
VEX Robotics is like a way forward, because now we are talking about not just drill and ceremonies or not just radar, but now we're talking about technology. It seems like technology is going to be one of the ways forward, for not just JROTC, but for the nation. And we want our kids to be involved in doing things for the future of the nation.